The spicy margarita. It's spicy, fierce and sour. It's just like your partner when you return an hour late and you said you were going out for drinks with your friends. Here is the ingredient lineup: tequila, Cointreau triple sec, fresh lime, fresh chili and Tajin. With your chilies, ideally use jalapenos, which I didn't have here, and if you like it hotter, go for habaneros or something like that. First, you need to run a lime slice across the rim of your glass and then dip this into the Tajin and just make sure it gets a good coverage on it all. Okay, you need to slice up your chili and add a couple of slices to the shaker and give it a good muddle. If you've got something like a glorified bell pepper, which I've got here, go with a lot more, and ideally please use jalapenos because it really does elevate this drink a lot better. Okay, whatever you do, please don't try and act tough and add Carolina Ghost Reaper chili or whatever the hell they call them. You're not looking to ruin this drink, and you're going to look like a weapons grade dickhead if you do that. Add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of tequila to your shaker. Follow this up, 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Cointreau or triple sec. Then lastly add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake this for 10 to 13 seconds. The history: in the early 2000s, Julio Bermejo, the owner of Tommy's restaurant in San Francisco and the creators of Tommy's Margarita, started infusing chilies with tequila, and this cocktail was born, and it's really just been changing ever since. Add ice to your glass and make sure you double strain the contents of the tin because you don't want pulp floating around in the glass. Okay, on to the most important bit, the taste test. This is not my favourite margarita by a long shot, but it's alright. Definitely needs a stronger chili, as I've mentioned previously, and I'll bump down the Cointreau and probably add 1/4 ounce of the Agave or simple syrup to this because it's lacking a little bit of sweetness and complexity. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.